mystified by your mistaken anticipation for the weekend. Make time for me, I must sneak in. Where to begin? Freak your body till we barely.
Alright guys, so Her Hippie TV is back. And today we're going to be looking at how I make my fat burning fruit salad. I make this salad a few times a month. It really does work. It does clean you out. You will be clean as a whistle. So I'm just going to show you the ingredients that I have, how much to go ahead and put in there, and then I will show you the finished product when I'm done. So excuse me that you can't really see my face, but this part will do. So anyway, because everything is right here. So this recipe calls for a few different fruits. I have already measured everything out. Yeah, I measured everything out in its entirety, so I will let you know what how much of what I'm using as I'm dumping it into our fruit salad bowl. You may or may not need a bigger bowl. This is the bowl that I'm using. As you can see, I already have my watermelon in there, and I've used about 3 cups of watermelon, so I just kind of made sure it was all chopped up. The second thing is peaches. So I just got some canned peaches from my local grocery store, which is Harris Teeter, and you want to make sure you're getting the ones that, or the one that says in 100% juice. That is the peach, the peaches that you're going to use. So I've already drained these, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour them in here. The next thing, and you'll use the whole can, of course. The next thing I'm going to use are pineapples. Same thing, same deal. I got these pineapple chunks from my local Harris Teeter. I've already drained these as well, so I'll use the whole can of pineapples, and I just got the chunks. Those are the ones that I like the best. It looks really good already. Alright, so the next thing is strawberries. So I have went ahead and cut up a cup of strawberries. So just cut them into slices and just kind of measured it out in a measuring cup, and my daughter's gonna get me for using her little bowls. But anyway, yeah, so I just poured these in here, like I said, about a cup. The next thing is grapes. So I have washed these grapes already and measured them out, like I said, and I'll be using a cup of grapes as well. So just put that in there. I have blueberries here. So I have washed and measured out the blueberries. Now with these, they do sometimes have little stems on them. So as you're pouring them into whatever bowl you're measuring them in, you're going to want to have to like just peel the little stems off of them. So I did that. And so I used about 1.5 cups of blueberries. So that's like a whole little small container, about this big, about that wide, that you get from your regular grocery store. So we're going to pour that in there. See, yeah, like the little stems. There'll be like little stems on it. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah. So you just take it off and just place it to the side. Alright, second to last thing, excuse me. So I have grapefruit. I'm not really a fan of grapefruit, so you can make this with or without grapefruit. I don't think the first time I made it I put grapefruit in it, but I do want to try it this time. So I just went and got the Del Monte kind of like glass jar of red grapefruit, and I just drained all the juice out, as you can see. And so I measured it out here, and I used 1/4 cup of grapefruit. So I'm just going to pour that in. Alright, so then the last thing that I'm going to need is lemon juice. So once you have all of your fruit in your bowl, you're going to use lemon juice and use about 3 teaspoons. So I'm very funny. I rarely measure things out the way they're supposed to be. But, so what I'm going to do with this is just take 3 capfuls. That'll be my, like, teaspoon. I already shook this up. And I'm just going to pour the lemon juice all over this fruit salad. Oh, all over the top, I should say. Perfect. All right, so after you're done pouring your lemon juice on here, you're just going to mix this salad up really nice, and I'll show it to you guys after I'm done. Uh-oh, losing some fruit over here. Alright, so I usually will let it sit for in the refrigerator for like an hour just so it can get cold again. And like I said, if you need a bigger bowl, definitely use one. This bowl is kind of actually like perfect. Not too big, not too little. Alright. So this is what it looks like, guys. It looks really, really good. So yeah, like I said, I'll let it sit in the refrigerator for about an hour, let it get cold again, and then I'll enjoy it. I usually will eat it as a snack, or I'll eat it as a part of my meal. So let me know what you guys think. Comment up, subscribe. Let me know if you have used one before, or excuse me, if you've made a fruit salad before, if you tried this one before, or if you like any more recipes or want to know what I use as far as my healthy recipes and weight loss go. Thank you for tuning into Her Hippie TV. I'll be back.